Okay, hello dear friends, good morning, such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So let's do some exercise for calming down myself. Theta is cosine inverse negative root 3 over 2. So when you see to the power of negative 1, this does not mean to the power of negative 1. It does not mean 1 over cosine. No, not at all. It is a different way of writing. It means inverse. It means arc cosine negative root 3 over 2. There are different ways of writing it. So choose whichever one that is comfortable for you. Okay, so this one is the same as cosine theta is negative root 3 over 2 and asking for theta. This is using another way of writing it. It's just the teacher want to trick you and want to show that I'm better than you. No, not I am better than you. The teacher is better than you. Actually, you can see what it is. Okay, now let's solve this problem. And from now on, we will use our unit circle. I'm sorry for the background. I use recycled paper, so use another piece of recycled paper. Maybe you can see a little bit better. This is 0.5 lead, so it's not very strong. So we put a unit circle on here, large enough for us to see nice and clear. So this is our unit circle. And before anything, we do not see the positive sign, negative sign. We see the absolute value is root 3 over 2 and is cosine. So we know it's 30 degrees, right? You only need to remember 30, 45, and 90 because 60 is the complement angle of 30. So just remember this. And 30 degrees is around, oh, why not? 15, 30, 30 degrees. So this is 30 degrees. I make this line parallel to this. So here we have 30 degrees. Cosine is the x value, right? So this is longer, this is short, it makes sense. So here we have a 30 degrees, but let's take a look. It's negative root 3 over 2. So the x value is negative. So we make an extension of this line. An extension of this line. So this angle and these are opposite, interior, opposite angle. So this is 30 degrees also, right? And now we can see the y value, the x value. This x value is root 3 over 2, and this x value is negative root 3 over 2. So here and here, this point and this point, there are 2 points. So we have another angle. Here is also 30 degrees. So which means 180 degree minus 30. 180, but not yet reaching 180. There are 30 degree missing until we reach to 180. So it's 180 degree minus 30 degree, which is 150 degree, right? So this is 180 plus. So 180 degree plus 30 degree is 210 degree. So when theta is cosine inverse of negative root 3 over 2, we know theta within the first rotation, theta is 150 degree and theta is 210 degree. So we first do degree, okay? And if we rotate it, 1 circle, 2 circle, rotated -1 circle, rotate 0 circle, all possible, it reach to the same point. So within 300 degree, now all theta, that is n theta equal to n times 36 degree plus 150 degree, right? And this theta is n times 360 degree plus 210 degree. Now we need to change into radian. So in radian, theta is 2 pi. How many of 2 pi? N times 2n pi plus 150 is 5 pi over 6. How do we know? 30 degree is pi over 6. Anyway, many people have different way of remembering it. I already know it by heart in my mind, in my brain, in my sleeping mode, in my wake up mode, in my alive mode, in my faint unconscious mode. Anyway, I know this. I just know this. Okay. So 150 degree is 5 times of 30 degree. So that is it. This is a very good training for my brain. You know the reason? First, English is not my native language. I need to think. I need to think about the language. I need to think about the mathematics. And I need to think about the logic. So it's kind of a brain teaser, brain training for myself. 7 pi over 6. So in radian form and in degree form. The first question, we are done. Now the second question, number 2. Theta is arc10 -1. Okay, so we make another unit circle not in a rush, okay? We do it one at a time. We still use our unit circle to do it. This is our unit circle. And forget about the negative. When tangent something is 1, it is 45 degrees because x value and y value is the same. So let's find a 35 degree, 15, 30, 45. So this is 45 degree. I make it parallel to me. Okay, I make it even more accurate. This is 45 degree. 45 degree. So this is a 45 degree, right? X is positive, y is positive. X is negative, y is negative. But if tangent theta is negative, so we will need to flip it. 45, lift it up, the 45, so it is here. So it should be starting from the origin, reaching to this point. Here is 45 degree. And but we know that tangent, cotangent is rotating every 180 degrees. So we do not need to write this. We can write it in the easier form. So theta is 90 plus 180 minus 45 is 135 degree. 135 degree. Right? So theta is, there are different ways of writing it. For all theta, for all theta, n times 180 degree minus 45 degree. When n is 1, it's 135, right? Every 180, it has one rotation. Of course, you can write plus 135. It is actually the same angle. So in degree, this is the answer. And in radian form, theta is n times pi minus pi over 4. And that is the answer. Now let's see the third one. Is that too much? Okay, I will do another video. I think this is good for our reflection for now.